figured it out in the drop. Figured it out in the drop.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we got the unboxing of the dual action polisher, man. See that? The Workpro. We about to see how it works. We got a job lined up in the morning. Wish I had time to test it. I really don't. But I was looking for a good beginning polisher, a good beginning stage polisher. So we're about to unbox it right now. See how it goes. Alright, man. So we got a microcloth towel in here. I don't really feel that good. Okay. Got the handle. Got the backing plate. The wool pad. Got the flat pads. Couple of these like honeycomb, whatever, ripple pads, whatever you want to call those. 3 and 3. Then we got excuse me for that airplane. Excuse me for that airplane. Oh yeah, got a nice weight to it, not too heavy. Too light. Got the trigger, got the lock for the trigger, so you don't gotta hold it. I think it's 6 speeds, and it clicks on every half a speed, which is dope. I'm about to put this thing together real quick. Let y'all hear it. Ready to rock and roll. We ready to test it out, man. It's getting dark. I'm gonna start the generator up real fast. Let's see. Airplanes, man. What can I say? Ready? It's on 2. 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4, 4.5, 5, 5.5. Oh, I said 5.5. That's it. Feel good though. Not a lot of vibration either. Let's open it up. Tripod. Fit. Bug out here messing with me. Can't get it on. Even that a mosquito. Felt to get my neck. Got me. Might want to go with a smaller backing plate or a bigger pad. Probably smaller backing plate. But start off. We're gonna be good to go. Yes, sir. Welcome to the family. Workpro.